I know a lot of us must have gotten scammed while trying to buy foreign accounts, or maybe you paid for an account and you didn't get the login details and the rest. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy foreign accounts, either Facebook, Instagram, or any kind of account that you need without you getting scammed. All you need to do is to log into your Chrome, your Safari, or your Firefox, anyone that you're using for your browsing. Then once you go to this browser, you search for Aspire. So this is the first thing that you're going to see. The first site or the first link that you're going to see once you search for Aspire on your Google Chrome or Safari or Firefox. So you're going to log in, but for now I'm already logging into this site, so it won't bring out all those login features. All you just need to do is to create an account with them, verify your email and the rest. Then you can have access to purchase all these foreign Facebook accounts, Instagram accounts with followers. Some of them don't have followers also. So let's go ahead. Let me show you how you can purchase these accounts. As you can see, we have boosted Instagram account. You see real Facebook Brazilian account, Bulgaria account, Indian, Indonesia, Philippine account, and so many more. You can see TikTok is also there. You can see Twitter, YouTube, and then VPN, tunnel VPN. Now, for you to purchase this account, you can see that here now you will now check the year. This account. Let's check for Instagram 2024. Now, as you can see, these are the accounts. Now all you just need to do is just to click on each of them, then you see the account details. Once you just click on the first one, let me click on the first one to see the details of this account. Now it will take you to Instagram. As you can see, this is the account. So we have so many more and they are going for $9 each. That one is for 1,000 followers. You want 250 plus followers. They also want it. So anyone that you need in this Instagram, for this Instagram account, you can choose them from there. Now, as you can see, someone 500 plus followers is going for $6. Now what you just need to do is just to click this icon here, this tick icon, then go to your cart. Let's allow it to load. Then there you see it in your cart. As you can see, this is it, and all you just need to do is just to drag it to purchase. You purchase. For now I don't have money inside this account, so if you have money, all you just need to do is just to click on your purchase. Then you see the payment methods that are available. Same to also go to Facebook. Now in this Facebook here, you see the year 2009 to 2023. So you click, then you see different Facebook accounts. You see the one with 30 plus followers and the rest. If you want the one with followers, just click on that followers. For now, they say accounts here might be sold that not added or not restock here. So if you come here and you want to purchase accounts with more than 30 plus followers, you can always come here and you see the accounts here. So let's check out these accounts. Then you see, once you click on this link, it will take you to Facebook profile, Facebook account, or Facebook app, depending on the one that you're using and the rest. So as you can see, one account here is $9.65, and this is very cheap if you want to buy Facebook account compared to the one that they are going to sell to you, and you get scammed. You get scammed of your money. So this one is much more safer to buy from them. I'm telling you the truth. It's much more safer to buy your account from here than for you being scammed. Some persons will give you the details, and later on the account will be taken back from you. I know you don't want something like that. Most times you want to buy it for monetization and stuff like that, or you're a working boy and you need something like this. So these are the kind of accounts that you need. So let's check. As you can see Indian. There are also Indian accounts from here. That is not just the listing. If you scroll down, you see YouTube. If you want to buy YouTube channel, already monetize YouTube channel from here, you don't want to start afresh. So once you click on, you see it's $20.65 if you want to buy 999 followers from this site. Now if you see, okay, they don't have the one with followers. So as you can see, they have different channels. All you just need to do is to tick on the one you want. Then I don't want, for the sake of this video, I don't want to open different links here. So just check the one, calm down and check the one that you want from here. So after you're finished, just all you just need to do is to go to your cart. You go to your cart, then you see it there. Now you also have if you want to deposit money, you want to make for your payment and stuff like that. All you just need to do is to click on deposit, select the amount you want to deposit, either $10 because that is the minimum you can deposit here. So as you can see, it's either you pay through crypto or you pay through bank transfer. Now this bank transfer, they will give you the account details that you need. All you just need to do is just to send the money and wait for a few minutes, and your account will be restocked, or your account or the money will reflect in your account. So it's either, as you can see, 16,500 for the total thing that is inside my account. 16,500 for the total thing that is inside my account. So if you have paid for any account and you want to see where the login details is found, all you just need to do is to come here, click on purchases, then click on account. You will see the details of the account. It will be here with all the details you need concerning that particular account which you just purchased. That is just it. It's very, very simple. And so there are so many. If you want to check your transactions, if there's any fake transactions, or maybe there's transaction that you did and you want to query it, you want to talk to the customer service and the rest. So all you just need to do is just to click on your transaction, and you will see everything. You will see the everything. And they also have referral programs that helps you make money from their side. They also have different referral programs and the rest. So if you refer more people, you gain money, you start making your money and the rest. So you can become an affiliate marketer through this site by selling accounts to other persons and the rest. So once you click here, you see that there is a place where you see your referral code and stuff like that. So this site is very easy and it will help you to avoid being scammed and the rest. So if this video is helpful, I just want you to hit the like button, comment, and also subscribe to this my YouTube channel to get content like this when next I post.